Hey guys, Tepcocyclerepair. Today I'm going to be going over a quick tech tip on the CRF250. In this case here, the air box or the air filter mounting screw doesn't go through far enough. All right, now you can buy another one that from a CRF250R 2005 model, and it will give you a little bit more space there. So, but that's not enough room. You see how that sticks out? When you put this in, you spin and spin and spin, and you just can't get it threaded in, okay? It's just not far enough. So let me show you what you got to do. Real simple. You don't have to buy anything. It's free. Stand by. All right, with the air filter off of the cage, we have this shaft right here. This is where the filter slides onto. All you're going to do is cut a 1/4 inch off of here. All right, and by cutting a 1/4 inch over here, off of this right here, it's going to stick that a 1/4 inch more, which should give us enough room. So let me mark this and cut it. All right, here it is with the 1/4 inch cut off. So let's put it back together quick. You can see in there still room. It's not touching the rubber base right here. Is not touching the arms. The filter, everything is fine. Now when we stick this in, we have plenty of room now. You can see how much threads are sticking out now. That's from a 1/4 inch. Your guys are good to go. It's real simple, easy fix. You don't have to buy anything new, and you'll be able to use these. Hope this video helps you out. Please hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell for further notifications, guys. Until next time, it's Tepcocyclerepair.